Hello everyone, this is YLAM here. In today's video, we're going to be going over how to update the firmware on your DJI Mavic 2. Now, when you think of firmware, most people only think about the drone, but for the DJI system, you're actually going to be updating the radio controller, the drone, and the battery pack. All three of these need to be in sync in order for the firmware to be effective, so we're going to go ahead and go through that process. Before starting the upgrade process, there is a couple of things that you do want to check. First and foremost, you want to make sure your battery is fully charged for your drone. The next item you want to check is your radio controller, so you definitely want to check to make sure that it has proper power. This one's at 99%, so it's good to go. Once you have checked the battery power, what I would recommend you do next is remove the gimbal holder, and optionally I would remove the propellers as just a precaution, just in case anything goes wrong. I'd rather have this spin up and not have propellers on it, so I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. Once all of this is done, we can go ahead and install our battery into our Mavic Pro, which is what we're going to need, and then we're going to go ahead and get on our smartphone to start the upgrade process. For those of you who is completely new to the drone system, what we're going to do is we're going to download the DJI Go app. We're going to go ahead and go to the Apple Store. We're going to do a search, and then we're going to search the DJI Go app, which pops right up. This will be the first one that pops up, and then we can go ahead and start downloading the DJI Go app. The DJI Go app will allow us to be able to upgrade the firmware on our controller, our drone, and our battery, so it's going to be very useful. If the DJI Go app were to fail for any reason, there is a backup way. You can download the DJI Assistant, which you're going to have to install on your computer, and then you're going to have to put a USB cable to your controller to update it manually, and also a USB cable to your Mavic Pro to upgrade the drone itself and the battery. So once you've logged into your app and it's nicely situated, you can go ahead and plug it up to your controller. Make sure that you have the proper USB cable going into your smartphone. In my case, it's an iPhone, so that plug was already in. Once that's there, you can tell right over here that it's already found a new version of the firmware and it's already telling me about it. If you don't see this, you can go ahead and just hold on to this button right over here, and when you let go, you can manually update it. But most of the time, the firmware update will show up right there. Let's go ahead and turn on our controller first, so we'll just do a quick double tap. We're going to go ahead and turn on our drone. 1, 2. And there it is, starting back up. And our gimbal is moving around. That's the reason why we want to keep our gimbal nice and loose. So these two are now connected together. We can go ahead and click on the firmware. Once the firmware is completed downloading, as you can see, it automatically goes into updating the aircraft. So all we have to do is just leave it alone until it's finished upgrading. Alrighty, we just completed. So it says update complete. Go ahead and hit the OK button. And we are ready to go. It says update has been completed. So at this point, you're done with the firmware process. If this is the first time you're using the DJI Go app, there is a one-time startup process. It's quite lengthy, so definitely allocate some time to do that. If you've already used the DJI Go app before, then you're ready to fly. Hopefully everything goes smoothly for you. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comments below. And until next time, thank you so much for watching.